Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix microphone keeps muting itself on Windows. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Click Communications tab, check Do Nothing, click Apply, click OK. Second method, right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Details tab. And task all Svchost service corresponding to logged in your username. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Properties, click Driver tab, click Rollback Driver. Fourth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.